Hi guys, it's Richardlizhu back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about this email that I got from Turo, trying to sell me on Turo Go, right? So they had this promo for Turo Go, and he says, "John here, I'm a Turo Go specialist focusing on expanding our Turo Go technology in the Bay Area. I wanted to reach out and let you know we're having a promo going on right now for free installation, normally $100 and $150, with no subscription fee until January of 2020. Free installation will only last until the end of May, so you only have $15, 15 days to get a vehicle registered," right? So, I saw this, I'm like, what the heck is Turo Go? So, I click the link and I check it out. So I have 3 vehicles on Turo, and it says, Turo Go, boost your earnings and make hosting a breeze with Turo Go. A set of features in the Turo app that allow approved guests to find and unlock your car via an in-car device. Okay? And so of my cars, my Tesla Model S 2016 is eligible for Turo Go. So let's go see what it is, right? Discover an easier way to earn whatever. So basically it's like remote unlock, right? So like I'm expecting to be some kind of thing that'll be in your car, and so it says accept more trips, no need to limit your Turo business to regular business hours. This is a complete non-issue, right? Like most people are going to be renting out your cars during business hours. During non-business hours, like I haven't even gotten any business during non-business hours, right? I set my times for all times of the day, and so like this definitely won't even get me more trips, right? Earn more with on-demand bookings. How often, when you're renting a car, do you like just rent one hour ahead of time, right? Like, especially my cars, like they're pretty upscale cars. I have a Tesla Model S, a BMW i8, and like a Mercedes SLK. Most people who are renting my cars are coming in from out of town. They're flying in to one of the 3 airports in the region, and they want me to deliver the car to them, and then they can take it out to wherever, right? So all of these people, they their Turo rentals are already premeditated. Like they know months in advance or weeks in advance when they're going on these trips and when they'll be needing these cars, and they make these reservations ahead of time, right? And then save with exclusive early access. Eligible hosts enjoy an exclusive $100 off installation and no monthly fee until January 1st, 2020. So the $100 off is good, right? If this product is good. But from what I've read so far, Turo Go has nothing provides me no value, provides me no utility. So sure, it's free. The installation is free, right? And if it were no monthly fee ever, I would definitely have accepted this, right? Because there's no monthly fee, there's, I get something, right? So even though utility is very, very minimal, it provides me some utility and has no cost. If it has no cost and some utility, I'll definitely take it, right? But the kicker here is until January 1st, 2020. So when 2020 rolls around, my Turo Go will cost me X amount of money a month. And at that point, I'm almost certain that Turo Go will not be providing me X amount of dollars of utility. My guess is it's going to be like $10 a month, which people think of $10 a month as very little, but in reality that's so much. Like $10 a month will get you an Amazon Prime subscription, just flat. Like $10 a month is Amazon's Prime subscription cost. Like, would you rather have Amazon Prime or would you rather have Turo Go? Like, I don't think this would help me at all, because using Turo Go, you still have to wash your car and manage your car, right? It's not like you just put the car out in the wild and just have it located somewhere and people will use it and the next person can do that, right? Some people do that with their Turo cars. They buy the shittiest cars out there and then they put them out in the wild and tell the customers hey, your car's located here, go get it yourself, right? The keys in the glove box, right? What I try to do is try to provide a premium experience for my customers, so that when I deliver the vehicle to them and then answer any questions they may have, do the walkthrough with them, do the walk around with them, so that they can verify what kind of damages are on the car, or any prior damages, or if they're unhappy with anything, they can let me know on the spot, right? If I don't do that, I feel like I'm doing my customers a disservice. I don't know. I don't think Turo Go provides much utility for me. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know about this, my thoughts on Turo Go. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos about my life, about Silicon Valley and tech. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.